Do you want simple recipes? And have you been trying to prepare that flaky pie, but whenever you try it, you mess up? Worry not, this is the right place for you. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. I'm going to share with you how I make my pie recipe in the air fryer. So I have with me here my tuna flakes. I'm just going to pour it in the pan, then fry it a bit. I've added my homemade natural spice and herbs. I'll go ahead and add some pepper, ginger, garlic, and then mix it very well. So that is what you are seeing. Okay, I didn't add any oil to it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my vegetables, that is carrots, onions, scallions or spring onions. I will give it a stir and we are good to go. So we're not going to cook this on fire for a longer period, because when you put it in the pie and bake it, it is going to cook. So I don't waste much time on it, but it is your food, just prepare it the way you want it. Okay, yes, so I'll give it a gentle stir and I'll show you how it looks. So in some few minutes, like just a minute, that is how it looks. And if in case you prepare yours and you want it dry and it was watery, you can add some all-purpose flour. So I have my all-purpose flour here. I've added just a pinch of salt. Okay, just a pinch of salt. There's no need to add salt if you are using salted butter, okay, or if you use salt, it should be just a pinch of salt. Okay, just be very careful with the salt. I will mix it very well and I'll show you how it looks. If today is the first time here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon that says all, so that when we upload new videos you'll be updated. So this is how it looks. Yes, this is how it looks. So I'll add my water. You can use milk instead. Okay, then we are going to form the dough. You mix it using your fingertips. Okay, you don't use your palm. Okay, as you can see on the screen. So I'm just going to form the dough and I'll show it to you. Hello, my returning subscribers. Do you know you guys are amazing? Yes, you're amazing, and I do appreciate your time here. Thank you very much for always clicking my videos to watch. God bless you. So I have formed the dough and this is how it looks. That is so beautiful and rich. Yes, I'm just going to use my rolling pin and then continue with it. Okay, so let me tell you something. When I was making the pie, okay, I placed some in the air fryer and it was left with 3, which I didn't want to finish baking the one in the air fryer, then I will be adding the rest. So I decided to put that one in the oven, and guys, guess what? The one in the air fryer was beautifully done, and the one that was in the oven was now relaxed. Just say, when you're not doing so, it's as if it's a new wife who is working on her wedding day. There, I just took it from the oven, put it back in the air fryer, and then I proceeded. I will show you what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'll show it to you. I didn't waste my time at all. So please do not forget to follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes for more videos. And my Instagram page is lovely_Mina_1992. Let's be friends there, and I will be very, very grateful. You can follow me as well on TikTok at Exhibiting_recipes_250, and you will love it. Okay, so I'm still filling in the pie and I will show you the end result. If you have still not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? please subscribe for me. So now I'm done. I'm just going to brush the top with my egg and milk. Okay, I mixed egg and milk, and that is what I'm using to brush the top to give it that brownish color. Okay, so this is what I was trying to tell you. See, the one in the air fryer was ready, so now I have to remove it and then put it in the air fryer, then proceed with it. See that beautiful pie we got from the air fryer. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it came out very perfect and flaky. I don't like pie. Okay, when I prepare the pastries, I don't eat it. That is a story for another day. Forget about it. We will talk about it one day. So if I will eat it, this is how I eat my pie. I don't eat the filling, and I eat it once in the blue moon. Yes, I don't like eating pie. So my daughter too likes the filling, but she doesn't like the pie itself. So when I finish eating it, I give her this one and she enjoys it. See that beautiful filling, very juicy. Try this one and you're going to love it. Thank you very much for being with me till this point, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Till I come your way next time, see you in the next video. Bye. I love you.